This is how to set up basic discount in WooCommerce so that you can convert browsers into buyers. Head to your marketing section and click coupons, then hit add new coupon. The coupon code field sits at the top of this form. Type something memorable like welcome 10 or spring 20 because customers have to remember and type this. You can click generate coupon code for a random string, but memorable beats random every time. Below that in general tab, the discount type dropdown gives you percentage or fixed cart discount. Enter your discount value in the coupon amount field. Next, set an expiry date in the field below that. Deadlines create urgency that pushes buying decisions. No deadline means people bookmark and forget. Click the usage restriction tab to protect your profits. Set minimum spend to at least double your discount amount so you still make money. Check the exclude sale items box to prevent discount stacking on products already marked down. This protects your margins. Click usage limits tab to control how often this gets used. Set usage limit per coupon for total uses allowed and usage limit per user so individuals can't abuse it. Hit publish to make your coupon live. Customers can use it immediately at checkout. Test this in an incognito window before announcing it. Shop like a regular customer. Add items to cart. Proceed to checkout. Enter your code and hit apply. Make sure the math matches what you expected before going live. That's pretty much it.